All right, guys. Well, this is probably a terrible angle, but the sun is like beating down. So I haven't found the lodge yet, but it is, y'all, I'm telling you, it is super, super hot. So I'm just going to go ahead. All trails took me over here to the Lover's Leap trail, which is what we're going to do first today. So I just thought, since I was here, I'll just go ahead and park in this day use area, and we'll just go ahead and hike that trail. And then we'll go do some other exploring. But I do have some coconut water. This is not the normal one that I like to drink. This is the like cheap dollar store brand, so it's probably not as good for me, but I did want something else that I could get kind of super hydrated with. This is going to be so hot, and I've got a little bit of ice still left in my cup from this morning and some water, so I'm going to go ahead and mix this, and I'm going to go ahead and sip on it for a minute while I get all of my stuff together, and then we're going to go find this trail. Look at those views. I can tell that my GoPro is not gonna like filming at all, y'all, because it is just not, it's like me, it's not handling this heat very well. But let me show you. Look at the views over there of the mountains. And then here's the little choo-choo train that runs through here, and I believe that the trailhead for Lover's Leap is somewhere over here. Whew, guys, I probably look like a hot mess, but it is hot. So here we are at the Lover's Leap trailhead. It's a moderate trail, but it's only about 1 mile, and it's supposed to have really pretty views. Look at this, y'all. Look at these views already. Look at this, y'all. Really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. And very rocky right off the bat, y'all, right off the bat. Little creek crossing here. Another one. All right, I'm sweating like a stuffed pig, y'all. Okay, so a little history about this trail. There was a lady, or a young girl, who was working out at the lodge here at Queen Wilhelmina, and she met a guy that she fell in love with. So one night the guy asked her to meet her down by the river, which I think is down this mountain somewhere. Anyway, so she went that night. She got ready and went down to meet the guy by the river. Well, to her surprise and to her dismay, she found him with another woman. So, legend has it that she was so distraught and upset about him being with another woman that she climbed this, went down this trail, climbed up this mountain that's on this trail, and jumped off. It's the name Lover's Leap. So, again, I don't know how true it is, but anyway, that's what legend says. And you see, it is still pretty rocky through here. Let's go. All right, so I let this nice couple pass me back there, and I kind of rearranged my backpack. I didn't even know it was open earlier, so I got everything situated and filled up my water bottle. This heat is not, I'm not a fan of it at all. now we're coming up on this little clearing here, and I'm going to show y'all. Oh wow, look y'all, look. Really, really pretty. Look at that. There's okay, now we're making a little descent down. So, not sure how much further to the overlook, but it shouldn't be far. But I am hiking a little slower because it is very, very hot. I know you're gonna get tired of me saying that in this video, but it is hot. And I did choose to wear pants because I don't want to get ticks. And look at this, we got to go down these little steps here. Back down. Oh, goodness. Definitely glad I brought my hiking pole. It definitely helped. It's a little steeper down, and then you got some more steps here that we got to maneuver down. Alright. Okay. Now, this trail kind of reminds me of the Cedar Falls trail at Petit Jean. It's real rocky like this too. But anyway, yeah, look, see? Got lots and lots of rocks. Look, guys, this is what we gotta hike down right here. Look at this. Holy moly. All right, now that we're through all that rocky stuff, now we start our ascent up. And, oh wow. Okay, so more rocks. Holy cow, y'all. Look at that. I don't know if I'm gonna make it up that or not, y'all. I don't know. We're gonna see. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay. I gotta stop a minute and let my heart rate get down. So, look at this. Now we're just hike down from right there. Now we're gonna go up. I don't think I'm gonna make it, y'all. I really don't. Look at this. Here's a little look here. I think I'm gonna sit for a minute and get this heart rate down before we continue. Give me a drink. All right, guys. Well, now we're at the section where if you are backpacking the Ouachita Trail, this would be section 3. So the Ouachita Trail actually goes here, and then the Lover's Loop Trail continues on up here, which is where we're going. So anyway, the Ouachita Trail covers about 227 miles, I believe, and it starts in Oklahoma, and it goes all the way to Pinnacle Mountain State Park, I believe. I think I'm right about that. Not 100% sure but I think that's right. And I think it's over 200 miles. So anyway, so if you're backpacking in, then that would be where you would want to start your section 3. So here we go. I think I'm gonna die, y'all. We finally made it to the observation deck. Right here. I'm gonna sit and relax, film a little bit more, have a little snack and a little drink, and then we'll head back down. And the breeze feels nice too. All right, guys, about to head down off of this overlook and get off of this trail. But first, no trail would be complete, especially one that has really done a number on me today. It's really hot and humid, but I have my pumpkin seeds again. I love pumpkin seeds, and I eat them just right out of the bag. They're a good, tasty little snack. They're healthy, and they give you a little bit of energy. And I have some coconut water that I brought with me too. Look at here, y'all. We made it. Made it to the observation deck. And it was well worth it. Well, that was fun. And those views were amazing, weren't they? Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I was the only one up there, which I was really surprised. I figured there would have been more people up there, but nope, had all to myself. So got lots of good footage for you guys. And it gave me a chance to cool down so that we can finish this hike today. I would like to point out that this right here, maybe it's this piece. Which piece is it? Maybe it's this piece right here. Yeah, it's a little wobbly, so if you're going to hold on to it going down, do so with caution. It also looked like on the overlook back there going up that there was one board that looked like it had some pretty good damage to it. So just be mindful, be careful if you're going up there with little kids or with older adults. There was just one board that felt like it was a little weaker than the others, so which happens. But anyway, neat rock formations. You can see a view kind of through there of some vistas. Well, I finished that trail. I had to sit here on the steps and rest. Kick my booty. That heat. It's something else, man. Something else. Oh. Well, I like hiking in the winter much better than the summer. Anyway, we made it out alive, guys. We made it out alive.